As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter, be a brainy buyer.
Hey, I'm trying to decide between these two propane grills. One is the ChuMaste 3-burner, and the other is the Royal Gourmet portable one. Thoughts?
Oh yeah, I saw those. Well, the ChuMaste is definitely bigger, right? It has like a 464.8 square inch cooking area, while the Royal Gourmet's only got 285.
Bigger is good, I guess, for when I have friends over. But is it too big? I do like that the Royal Gourmet is portable. It's got those folding legs and a carry handle.
True. The ChuMaste isn't going anywhere easily. It weighs almost 52 pounds, and its dimensions are much larger. The Royal Gourmet is only a pound. That's a huge difference for taking to the park or camping.
Okay, portability is a big plus for the Royal Gourmet. What about power?
The ChuMaste has 3 burners putting out 30,000 BTUs. The Royal Gourmet only has 1 burner, but it still manages 10,000 BTUs. For its size, that's not bad.
So the ChuMaste will heat up faster and more evenly, probably?
Probably, yeah. It also has a thermometer built in, which is helpful. The Royal Gourmet has one too, though.
What about extras? Anything cool?
The ChuMaste has foldable side tables, which is handy for holding plates and stuff, and an oil collection cup for easy cleaning. The Royal Gourmet has a removable grease tray, so cleaning's still pretty straightforward. Oh, and the Royal Gourmet comes with 2 refillable propane tanks.
Oh, that's a nice bonus. I wouldn't have to buy those separately. What about price?
The Royal Gourmet is cheaper, around $147. The ChuMaste is about $169.
Okay, so Royal Gourmet is winning on price and portability. But ChuMaste has the larger cooking area and more power. It really depends on what I'm prioritizing, doesn't it?
Exactly. If you're mostly grilling for yourself or a small group and want something easy to move around, the Royal Gourmet is a solid choice. But if you're regularly cooking for larger crowds, maybe the ChuMaste is worth the extra investment. And also it depends how much you value a larger grill.
Good points. Thanks for breaking that down for me. I think I have a better idea of what I need now. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.